Fortnite's packet loss fix, released in early 2025, directly addresses network issues causing lag and disconnections. Packet loss occurs when data packets fail to reach their destination, resulting in erratic player movements and missed shots. This fix incorporates advanced predictive algorithms and real-time error correction, effectively mitigating packet loss by up to 20% on unstable networks. It's been fully rolled out across PC, consoles, and mobile platforms as part of the V31.50 update. Over 85% of active players have enabled it, leading to a significant 45% reduction in reported packet loss incidents. The update uses machine learning models trained on millions of gameplay sessions to predict and preempt packet drops. Epic plans to release quarterly updates to further improve performance with emerging technologies. The Fortnite packet loss fix uses several key technologies to improve network stability. First, it employs forward error correction, adding redundant data to packets so they can be reconstructed even if some data is lost during transmission. The fix also uses adaptive bitrate streaming, which adjusts data flow in real time based on network conditions. This prevents congestion by reducing quality during poor connections. Critical data like player positions is prioritized over non-essential elements. Edge computing integrates cloud-based servers to dynamically reroute traffic and reduce latency. Players can customize settings to match their internet speed, ensuring the fix adapts to individual connections. AI-driven network fixes are becoming a major trend in gaming, using machine learning to predict and prevent packet loss. Looking ahead, Epic plans full support for 6G and Starlink by 2027 to further reduce packet loss. More games are adopting similar fixes, with Epic open sourcing parts of their netcode for indie developers. However, concerns exist about AI potentially favoring high-speed users and security risks if models are hacked, raising ethical debates in gaming equity. Despite these concerns, the trend points to a more resilient gaming ecosystem, with packet loss fixes becoming a standard feature.